morning students. Today I am going to start new chapter, that is weather and seasons. The main objectives of this lesson are to learn about weather and season, to recognize and observe effects of the changes in the weather, and the last is to differentiate between weather and season. First, I will tell you the big picture of this lesson. In this chapter, we will learn about weather, factors on which weather depends, seasons like summer season, rainy season, autumn season, winter season, and spring season. Now, students, open your book on page 107, lesson 11, weather and season. Students, before going to start, first I will discuss the terms that will come in this chapter. These are weather, season, meteorologist, wind, loo, and the last is precipitation. While we go through the chapter, we will discuss all these terms turn by turn. Now today I will discuss number one is weather. Condition of atmosphere at a particular place and time. Number two is meteorologist, a scientist who studies about weather. Now let's start reading. Look out the window. Is it sunny or cloudy? Is it cold or hot? Is it windy? Is it raining? Students, write your answer in the blank space given below. It is dash today. Like today is a hot day, so I will write it here. It is hot day. And you have to write your own wish. Now next is, your answer tells about the weather outside today. The term weather means the state of air at a particular place and time. Whether it is a warm or cold, wet or dry, and cloudy or windy. Now underline word particular and write its meaning specific. Students, some days are very hot, some days are cold, and some days are very cold. Sometimes it rains. At other times, it is very windy. The weather never remains the same. It can change several times in a day and be hot, windy, cold, and rainy all in a single day. Now come along. Weather is important to us in many ways. Weather affects almost everything that we do in our everyday lives. Number one is, weather determines which clothes we should wear. For example, is it warm to wear shorts today? Is it cold enough to wear woolens? And do I need an umbrella today? Students, our type of clothes also depend on weather. Like on hot days, we used to wear cotton clothes like shorts, t-shirts, etc. And on cold days, we used to wear cap, gloves, mufflers, etc. And on rainy season, we used to carry umbrella when we move outside. Now turn your page. Weather affects the activities you do for fun. For example, if it is a hot day, you might go for swimming. If it is a pleasant day, you might plan to go for a picnic. Underline word activities and write its meaning tasks. Now underline word pleasant and write its meaning good. Students, type of activities also depend on weather. Like on hot days, we like to play indoor games and we may go for swimming. And on cold days, we like to play outdoor games like football, seesaw, etc. Now come along. But what if you want to know if it will be warm enough to wear shorts tomorrow or not? Will it be cold enough to wear woolens this weekend? To answer these questions, you will need to know what the weather will be like in the future. Students, how can we know what the weather will be like in the future? Students, weather forecasters tell us what the weather will be like. Underline word forecasters and write its meaning, a person who predicts future events. These people are called meteorologists. They are scientists who study weather. Students, the person who predicts future weather events is known as meteorologist and is also known as weatherman. And students, he tells the weather on the basis of humidity, wind speed and temperature. Now let's revise. My first question is, what is weather? Condition of atmosphere at a particular place and time is called weather. Number 2, who is a meteorologist? A scientist who studies weather. And my last question is, does weather change every day? Yes, weather may change every day and even several times in a day. Tomorrow I will continue with the next topic. Till then, read the chapter, revise terms and questions. Thank you.